If we want to edit this element over here, we simply have to click on it. We can see that it is a media carousel over here. We have the content settings over here, the style settings over here, and the advanced settings over here. For the content settings, we have skin, so we have carousel, we can see it over here, slideshow, we can see the change over here, cover flow, we can see the change over here, and we can also name it over here. And over here we have different items. By clicking on one of those, we see that we have the type, image or video. We can see that we can add an image over here or use AI like so. And we can also add a link to the image or the video over here. So let's click on image and let's add one image like so. For the item number 2, I'm going to add a different image. Okay, if I want to change the order of the images, I can simply just drag one and move it where I want it, like so. And I can also see the previews over here. Then we have the effect, which is slide, fade, or cube. Okay. And over here we have the height, like so. And then we have how many slides per view. Over here you can see the change. We only have 7 slides in total, so I'm going to choose maybe 4, like so. The ratio, we can change it over here, like so. And then the centered slides. Okay, and we also have additional options. We can have some arrows, you can see them over here. The transition duration, how much it's going to take to change from one slide to another. If we wanted to autoplay, auto speed, infinite loop, pause and hover, pause and interaction, image resolution, if you want it to be full, and image fit over here. If you want it to be contained, you can see the change over here. If you want it to be auto, like so, and cover. And over here, if you want lazy load. So let's go to style. So we are at the settings for slides, and we have space between. You're seeing the change over here, like so. The background color, border. You can see the border over here and here as well. Border radius, like so. And the border color over here. Okay. And you also have some padding settings over here. So let's go to navigation. For navigation, we can't see those settings because we don't have arrows over here. So let's go back to content. Let's go back to additional options and for the arrows in order to see the changes. And now let's go back to style, to navigation, so we can see the changes. Over here you can change the size. Over here you can change the color. And we can see the play icon because we don't have any videos like so. And lightbox. And for this particular case, we don't have a lightbox. So let's go back to content. Let's go to one item over here. And over here to link, let's choose media file. And now if I'm clicking on the image, I can see the lightbox over here. I can also see the title of the image over here. So if I don't want to see this text over here, I have to go to the image and delete this text over here, the title. And then click on select again. And now I no longer see the text over there. So by going back to style, to lightbox, we can change the settings over here, like the background color, the opacity over here, the UI color, the UI hover color, and the video width. Okay. So that is the only one that has the lightbox. If we want all of them to have it, we have to go to item, over here to link, media file. And that's about it. All that we have to do is just that. So we can see the changes like so. And over here we have some advanced settings as well, like margin paddings. I'm going to go over here to custom CSS and I'm going to use AI to see if I can make the image over here be centered top center instead of center center. So I'm going to write image position top center and generate code and insert. And we can see the change. The change is okay, is good, but we are still not seeing them very well. So let's go back to content and to minimum height, and let's change the height like so. And if you're changing over here to carousel and see how they look.